Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling the feature so apps can float. Open Settings quickly by swiping down twice and tapping the gear, then go to Apps and find Floating Windows or App Permissions. Turn on the global switch if present and grant individual apps permission. This lets supported apps appear as movable windows. Once done, you'll be able to summon floating windows from recent apps or the Apps Overflow menu, which is the practical step that gets the feature ready. Now create the floating window. Open the app and go to Recent Apps. Tap the app icon or the three-dot menu and choose Floating Window. Some apps also offer a drag-to-float handle. This turns the app into a smaller, resizable overlay you can move anywhere on the screen. Make sure to resize by dragging corners and position it away from system gestures so it doesn't interfere with navigation. This gives you multitasking power while keeping the main screen visible. Finish by managing the floating window. Tap the X to close or use the window menu to pin, lock, or snap back to full screen. If you want persistent placement, enable any sticky or lock option in the window controls. And if a floating window refuses to open, make sure the app has floating permission and that battery saver or optimization isn't blocking it. Rebooting the device often clears glitches. This troubleshooting tip fixes most problems quickly so you can keep working.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.